Hi, Dennis here with another Chrysal episode. Today I'm going to talk about our wedding and event kit, or we could call it your do-it-yourself kit. Often that's a big thing right now, especially in a time of recession or tough times when the wallet's a little struggling. People are doing it themselves. We put together a super kit to offer to customers who are doing it themselves. They get their bulk box in and they need to do a little care for those flowers. So we start with a flower stripper, because we know that we got to have the foliage above the water line. So stripping the foliage, it's a very easy to use, ergonomically nice. Just pull it, it strips them off. What I like about this stripper is there's no scarring on the stems. So it gets a nice clean strip without causing scarring. That scarring is places for infection to move into the plant. So it's fantastic. So then we go into full bloom. Full bloom is important because for that event, you want open flowers. You don't want tight flowers. Flowers that are tight is going to take a lot more flowers to cover the same area. Where if you have open blooms, you're going to use less blooms, but get better coverage overall. So full bloom is that full energy to push open the flowers and get full development. And then Chrysal Glory. On those hot summer days, outdoor event, flowers, they perspire, they lose weight. So this is a sealer, Chrysal Glory. Spray it on real wet, almost to runoff. Put it on pretty heavy, generous, and it'll seal in that moisture and help those bouquets last longer, those boutonnieres, corsages, bridal bouquets, whatever. And then, of course, a little enhancement for the foliage. Put on my favorite, Chrysal Leaf Shine. Of course, you know, AKA Mr. Leaf Shine. Thank you. Go out and buy your wedding kit and event kit today.